Jason Marquez here from Jan Supply. Today I'm showing you guys one of my favorites. We've got the Victory Handheld Electrostatic Sprayer. This one's great because it is cordless, and what that means is there's no more searching for outlets and there's no more tripping over cords or winding them up or dealing with them or untangling them. Really helps, really changes the game for the teams on the road that are doing those electrostatic sprays, keeping everybody safe. With that, let's take a look at what's in the box and see what comes from Victory here. Open it up, looks like we've got some nice packaging. We've also got a really nice bag. And what I like about this bag here is that you feel the quality. It feels substantial. This is something that in my mind I compare more to a quality power tool like a Milwaukee or something like that. Something that can be used and will stand up to its use. Let's make a little more room here. Let's take a little bit of a closer look and see what's in the bag. So as we open it up, of course, the main thing in here is the unit. Looks kind of futuristic, but very cool. It's got a light on the front so you can see what you're doing. It's got the chemical reservoir here, and of course the trigger so that you can spray. Next in the box, of course, we have the charger so we can keep things going. What's really nice about this charger is it's got the status lights so you can see what's going on with the battery while it's charging, just in case you're in between jobs or just like to know what's going on. Next here, of course, we have the battery, which fits nicely on the charger, snaps right in, or will go nicely on the bottom of the gun. Snaps right in. Then, of course, we've got the power charger for the power cord for the actual charger. We've got some instructions, and then a little tool that will be change the tip or change the volume of the spray coming out of the gun. So that's a really nice feature as well. It's now taking a little bit of a closer look at the unit itself. Like I was saying before, here's the reservoir on the front. It locks into place here and it releases like so. Really nice. You can take it anywhere to fill it up. And what's great about it is it just pops right back in. No fuss at all. Real nice construction. Feels pretty sturdy. And with that, that's the Victory Sprayer.